In this video, I'll show you how to create a set the sell price promotion in the admin. With this promotion, you can set a trigger for item quantity, and then as the name implies, set a new sell price for the items if this is met. Example, an item costs $50, but if the customer buys 2 of it, the set price per item will now be $48. In this video, let's do a get 3 tracksuits for only $250. To create promotions, go to the menu, Concessions, and then Promotions. Click the Add button. Here, choose Set the Sell Price promotion type. Enter a name for the promotion. Select a promotion item from the drop-down. Make sure that you have created a promotion item before making a promotion, and then you can fill out the other fields as well. Next, indicate a promotion duration. Then, in Triggers and Rewards, set the price level. Add the trigger. Since we're doing a get 3 tracksuits for only $250, let's add that item as a trigger and input 3 in the quantity field. Now, this item costs $90 each and should cost $270 for 3 pieces. But since we want to give it a $250 for 3 pieces, in the reward section, we will check Apply Reward to Trigger, and then revalue it as $250. And that's how you create one example of a set sell price promotion. You may also check the each item checkbox if you want to revalue it per item instead of all the 3 combined. So if this item is $90, we can price it at $86 per item instead. You can also add a different item as a reward if, let's say, you're doing a buy 3 tracksuits and get running shoes at $100. And also keeping in mind that you can do this for specific items, for specific brands, or for all the items in your store. Given the flexibility of creating promotions in KRISP, you can create your own different combinations of trigger and rewards, whether simple or complex. Just reach out to us through our website if you want to schedule a demo, or visit our website in the description for more information.